And then the objective of the study was to determine whether taking daily low-dose aspirin was beneficial in preventing a range of outcomes in the elderly, including death, disability, dementia, cancers, cardiovascular events. There's 19,114 participants in ASPREE. There is a big opportunity for us to look at people's underlying pharmacogenotypes and correlate that with the prescription drug information that we have collected on people every year for up to 7 years as they get prescribed new drugs, potentially as they have adverse drug reactions, and correlate those together to look at the frequency of kind of meaningful or actionable pharmacogenetic variation alongside real drug prescription data. So with aspirin, there's some variants that have been reported to have an effect or an impact on the efficacy of aspirin or the toxicity and the risk of bleeding. And none of those yet have made it to the level that they considered a clinical guideline, so that they would be printed on the side of a drug, or that you would measure that SNP before you prescribe the drug. However, that's starting to emerge, and more evidence is starting to emerge about some candidate genes and candidate SNPs that might actually have an impact in the way you react to or metabolize aspirin, or the benefit it might have in cancer prevention for some people and not others, or certain types of tumours and not others, particularly colorectal tumours. And so there are emerging opportunities for us to use the array data to do a very detailed analysis of aspirin pharmacogenomics.